Komisi benta benele ban pensapriang ya ko kubor ban kiar na kajingdi ba kajingba mi uduma. Haksi palai jung katayo ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School nongpo kalapenlong ya kajing rakhe ya ko World No Tobacco Day da kabaya drali ha ka sor nongpo jong ka district Riboy. Ki nongpnya jong ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School nongpo lembat ki kena school kila rakhe ya ko World No Tobacco Day da kabami patba ban ya drali shibenta ban penpriang ya ko kubor halor ka jingma na uduma. Ya kan negara rali lah sedang na kepelau jong ke skol bat diat pat syaduk senong po ban penkut biang hak ni ke skol. Hak ni ke jengiat pat ba ban pen priang ya ke kubor halor ka jingma na uduma. Ki kena skol kilara alang de plakat bagi poster ban pen hidur bagi jing thok basir kai na ke jing syak tak ka kut ka khia na uduma. Habakran haswa ban sedang ke jengiat pat ba ikong WK bla ibri principal jong ke skol ilong bayakum kena ke program ke bekerpang laju penlong mala ke senam ke skol bat aji kai kerpang ru ki kena ban kiar na ki jingdi ni ki jingbam ba dan lang bat uduma tiba kata ka kot ka khia ilong ru babon ni gitu ki baju penun kam ban di uduma ne ban bam uduma ki langat ki jingpang ki besur kai bat kalong ke bekongsan ban hikai ki kena bagi pat ba ban kiar na uduma.
Tobacco contains various types of toxic chemicals, many of which are toxic and carcinogenic. Nicotine addiction. Nicotine is a highly addictive substance, making it difficult for users to quit tobacco and also leading dependence on the substance. Then, social factor, peer pressure, media influence, and cultural norms can also influence in tobacco use. Then we also have stress coping mechanism. Some individuals, they use tobacco to cope with stress or anxiety. They use tobacco to get away from stress, anxiety, and depression also. Then some of the effects of tobacco. Number one is cancer. Tobacco causes various types of cancer, such as lung cancer, and increases the risk of bladder, pancreatic, and stomach cancer. Then, cardiovascular diseases. Tobacco increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, and peripheral artery diseases. Then, respiratory diseases. Tobacco affects the lungs of airways, which leads to chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, asthma, and other respiratory problems.